Hello friend, and welcome to Care Intermediate 1. The first exercise we'll be talking about is the single leg raise. You're going to have your shoes off for this one. You're going to bring your knee up to about 90 degrees, making an L with your leg. Unfortunately, my camera did not catch this on the right side. So do this on both sides and then move on to the next one. Try to keep your balance. It is hard at first, but it gets easier over time. These are called body crawls. You're going to lie on your belly and you're going to bring your knee in line with your hips out to the side. These are pretty hard, so try your best and just know that with time these do get easier. I myself had a hard time with these because I had not been keeping up with my hip exercises. Next is the iron cross. And the iron cross is when you lay on your back, stretch your arms out wide, take one leg at a time. So start with your right foot, cross your body as close to your opposite hand as much as possible. So right foot to left hand, left foot to right hand, and this one is primarily for your lower back. Ankle rockers are great for your ankle flexibility as well as strengthening the muscles at the front of your shin. So for this, you're gonna go stand on one foot and go against every squat advice you've ever been given because this is not a squat. You're gonna bring your knee as far over your toe as you can possibly stand while under control and then bring it back up. These have also been shown to help with max speed as well as change of direction. The supine plank is pretty much like a normal plank, except flip yourself over onto your back. Rest yourself on your forearms, lift your hips as high as you can go, and most importantly, look up with your head. Your body should make a nice straight line with this, and when you look down, your body collapses. So look up at the sky, squeeze your glutes. And lastly is deep belly breathing. So I have a crock on my belly to help show how to breathe properly. So when you breathe in, the crock should rise. When you breathe out, contract your belly to your spine, push your belly into the ground, and the crock should lower. This is a kettlebell knee raise. So like the one leg balance from earlier, you're going to do something similar except adding on a kettlebell for extra weight. So raise it up to 90 degrees, slowly lower it down, straighten your leg, raise up to your hip, bring it back down, and repeat. This one is great for hip flexor strength. Then we have dead bugs. This is a fantastic core exercise. These go hand in hand with the planks, but make sure that keep your belly flat. You can test this out by putting your hand underneath your back, and then from there raise your knees into a nice L shape, and they should be directly above your hips, and you will feel this in your belly. Good mornings are mostly for the back of your legs, also called your hamstrings. You want to stand straight and tall and pretend that your upper body is stuck in a cast and your lower body is also stuck in a cast. And you are going to move and bend at your hip and move your body straight down, sort of like a lever. So you notice how my body is only moving at my hips. This gives a better look at it on the left. Go nice and slow and you will feel it in the back of your legs. Groiners are a hip mobility exercise, and you're going to lay somewhat on your back, kind of lean back on your arms, and you are going to just turn your knees to the outside and then to the inside. So they both go in the same direction while they move. All right, that's it. We will talk again next time.